Hey everyone, are you trying to get ready for summer? Or just looking to kickstart a healthier lifestyle, but feeling overwhelmed about where to begin? What you eat is just as crucial as how you work out. Today, I'm going to share the core principles of diet meals, recommended by fitness trainers who have helped countless people transform their bodies. In just 3 to 5 minutes, you'll get practical tips to revolutionize your diet. Fitness trainers don't just teach you how to exercise. They're experts in understanding how the body changes and what nutritional intake is most effective. So, what are the common diet principles they emphasize? It's not just eat chicken breast all day. The key is all about balance and sustainability. 1. Protein at every meal, and plenty of it. The first thing fitness trainers stress is protein. They see protein not just as a nutrient, but as the cornerstone of diet success. Why is it important? Muscle preservation and growth. Losing muscle is a major enemy during a diet. Protein helps protect and even build muscle, which boosts your metabolism and helps you burn more calories. Powerful satiety. Protein takes longer to digest, keeping you feeling full for longer. This effectively curbs unnecessary snacking and late-night cravings. How to consume it? Include a palm-sized portion or more of protein in every meal. Good sources include chicken breast, lean beef, fish, salmon, mackerel, tofu, legumes, eggs, and whey protein powder. Aim for variety. 2. Carbohydrates. Focus on quality over quantity. Choose complex carbs. Many people view carbs as the enemy of dieting, but trainers emphasize the importance of smart carb consumption. Why is it important? Carbohydrates are our body's primary energy source, essential for maintaining exercise performance and reducing fatigue. Cutting them out completely can lead to low energy, reduced workout capacity, and even binge eating. How to consume them? Instead of refined carbs like white rice and white bread, opt for complex carbohydrates rich in fiber, such as brown rice, oats, whole wheat bread, sweet potatoes, and pumpkin. These raise blood sugar slowly and keep you feeling full longer. Strategically place them before and after workouts to fuel your body efficiently. 3. Don't forget healthy fats. Fats are also an energy source. There's a common misconception that all fats are bad for dieting. However, trainers highlight the importance of consuming healthy fats. Why is it important? Healthy fats are crucial for hormone balance, vitamin absorption, and brain function, and they enhance meal satisfaction. How to consume them? Include small amounts of foods rich in unsaturated fats in your diet, such as avocado, nuts a handful a day, olive oil, fatty fish omega-3s, and seeds chia seeds, flax seeds. 4. Eat plenty of vegetables, a treasure trove of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Trainers advise filling at least half your plate with vegetables at every meal. Why is it important? Vegetables are low in calories, yet packed with vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and fiber. Fiber boosts satiety, helping to control portion sizes, and is incredibly beneficial for gut health. How to consume them? Consume a variety of colorful vegetables like spinach, broccoli, cabbage, and bell peppers in various forms like salads, stir-fries, or wraps. Fruits are good too, but consume them in moderation due to their sugar content. 5. Adequate hydration and regular meal times. Lastly, trainers emphasize these fundamental basics. Adequate hydration. Water boosts metabolism and aids in detoxification. Drink plenty of water before you feel thirsty, aiming for more than 2 liters a day. Regular meal times or regular eating can lead to unstable blood sugar levels and trigger overeating. Try to eat at set times to maintain your body's rhythm. The core of a diet recommended by fitness trainers isn't about absolute restriction, but balanced nutrient intake. It's about eating enough protein, making smart choices for healthy carbs and fats, consuming plenty of vegetables, and consistently drinking water, while maintaining a regular routine. By applying these principles, you too can achieve your weight loss goals healthily and without the yo-yo effect. We're rooting for your diet success. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. See you in the next video.